Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the array of structures in the C language. We know that array is a collection of homogeneous data elements, whereas structures is a collection of heterogeneous data elements. Okay. Suppose here I want to store data of 10 students. Okay, then I can store the details of 10 students in the structures using the variables, that is 10 variables, right? So I will declare 10 variables for storing the details of 10 students. Suppose I want to store the details of 100 students, okay, 50 students, then it will be difficult to declare 50 variables or 100 variables like that. Okay, so for this purpose, to make it easier, we are using the array of structures. Okay, so here the usual array accessing methods to access the individual elements, and then the member operator are used to access the members. Okay, and here each element of student array is a structure variable with 3 members. So now let us see the array of structures in detail. So collection of multiple structure variables where each variable contains information about different entities. So here array of structures is nothing but collection of the multiple structure variables where each variable contains information about different entities. So the array of structures are used to store information about multiple entities of different data types. Okay, so here array of structures is nothing but it is a collection of structures, and in each array element a structure is stored. So normally in an array, okay, in an array we are storing it is a collection of same type of elements, right? But here instead of storing the values in the array, we are storing a structure in the array. So in each array, each location in the array is going to store the structure. So that is the array of structures. So the array of structures is also known as the collection of structures. So array is normally a collection of similar data types, right? But here array of structures is a collection of the different structures, because in each and every location of array we are going to store the structures. So now let us see an example regarding the array of structures. So I am taking a structure student. So here is a struct student followed by roll number, so characters, name. Okay, so here student is having roll number and name of length 10 bytes. So in the main function I am taking student, so I want to store records of 5 students here. Okay, so enter the records of 5 students and the for loop starts here. So if you want to access the array, you have to use the for loop, right? So here I want to enter the records of 5 students, that's why I am taking the for loop for 0 to 5. So printf enter the roll number, so roll number of the student we will enter using manually on the output screen, and enter the name. So using the scanf function it will read the input from the user, that is the name, and printf student information list. So after entering the details here, so it will print the student information list of 5 students. So this is the roll number and name of 5 students will be displayed on the screen. So like this it will display the roll number and name of the student. So here student of I. So I means I is a subscript variable here. So it will access the first location in the array. So array of 0, right? So array of 0. So it will print the value in the array of 0, that is roll number and name. So next it will take the subscript variable 1. So st of 1 means it will print the details of the second student roll number and name, and st of 2 means it will print the details of third student roll number and name. So like this, in this manner it will take the input from the scanf and it will print the output in the printf function to return the 0. So this is the pictorial manner of how the records of 5 students will be stored in the memory. Okay, so we know that array of structures means, so in each and every array, in each and every location in the array, so we are going to store a structure. So structure, right, is t of 0. So that is the record of first student. So it will store the roll number and name of the first student. So here given that roll number is of integer type, so that's why it will take 4 bytes of memory allocation, and name is of 10 bytes. Okay, so here the name is of 10 bytes length and 4 bytes, so totally 14 bytes are needed here. So it will take 10 character 10 bytes of memory for the name. And next the student 1. Okay, so student 1, it is going to store the details of the second student here in the st of 1. So in the array, so we are going to store a structure. Each and every array we are going to store a structure here. st of 1 is roll number name. Okay, so here roll number occupies 4 bytes of memory because it is an integer, and name occupies 10 bytes of memory. Okay, so similarly here in each and every array it is going to store a structure. Okay, so this is about the array of structures. An array of structure is stored inside the memory in the same way as a multi-dimensional array is stored. Okay, so this is about the array of structures. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.